Ways to find a woman overseas is to find someone to subjugate. Someone who doesn't talk back, cooks and cleans.
Cooks and cleans. My baby L cooks and cleans.
Lady.
It's about slave.
Slave, ooh.
Passport bros are men that none of us want here. I sincerely hope that the minute that those girls get here and they get their green card, they turn into Houdini and disappear.
Disappear. L, you want to get your green card?
These girls are in it for the bag. They
You in it for the bag?
What bag?
The bag.
I don't understand.
Been it for the bag, like this one. Look at this little beautiful family. Man, I can't believe, like, they still talking about this.
Sometimes I want to know why people talk about life.
You want to know why they talking
Green
about
card, passport, book. I want to know like that.
Let's talk about it. Come on. I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG.
They feel are going to be more subservient to them and do what they want, basically some sort of indentured servitude.
It's easier for these men to go overseas, get one of these victims. So a lot of these passport bros are exploiting a power imbalance economically.
Y'all are taking advantage of these women.
If you feel that you need to go to Antarctica to marry a polar bear,
A polar bear. You know what a polar bear is?
I know the one you know the.
Yeah, it is much easier for these passport bros to go to other countries and exploit younger, more impressionable, less educated or uneducated girls living in poverty.
you know why? Because we don't care. Look, we don't care. We do not care.
You sure about
They don't care.
You sure about this? You pay attention to the passport bros, like they're getting women from like the DR, Colombia, the Philippines, Thailand, like women.
Thailand, hey!
Excuse me?
Women are raised to be wise. They learn everything from birth, from their father, from their mother, how to be a wife and how to support your man.
Women that need them.
It's not even women that need them, it's women that treat them with respect.
So we don't.
Y'all know y'all don't.
No.
Some American women could not take it.
Men are traveling overseas to marry wives. Why? I'm right here. I'm single.
Shout out to my man, it's complicated.
Do you typically see women traveling
If men are traveling overseas to countries that have less money and less education, it's because they want a woman who is dependent on them for their livelihood, for their resources to have a good life. And I don't think that is.
Well, Elle has a pretty good life.
I know that overseas to find wives are not great dudes. Yeah, they're pervy.
Pervy.
What's pervy?
Overseas to find a partner.
Pervy means like
Prey on vulnerable women.
they prey on vulnerable women.
Right, in the Philippines or Thailand.
Thailand, there you go, Elle. Talk about Thailand.
Why people like to talk about Thailand?
But they're less outspoken, they don't demand anything.
Why they like to talk about Thailand?
Lady beautiful, Lady beautiful, I know.
And meet up with green card girlies.
Green card girlies.
To the fucking cleaners.
An Asian woman to
Asian.
marry you is because of the prospects of a better life.
You go find a wife in the Philippines or Thailand or wherever these places are overseas. They're just happy to be rescued from their poverty-stricken life of no opportunity.
You may or may not be able to speak English properly.
Look at these, man.
Yes, I can cook, I can clean.
Hey.
This is why I came to Thailand, to find a traditional woman. See, in the United States, all they do is like,
A lot of the passport bros will be like, men only want you for your money. And then they go get their 90-day fiance on, and she's clearly just with you for your money. Or if I'm working all day, sorry, I maybe don't want to come home and cook for 2 hours to feed you when you get home. Even when I'm not working all day, I don't want to feed you cooking for 2 hours. Men that talk like this, that act like this, who hate black women. American women? He didn't go to Africa. He went to Thailand. He went to Thailand. He went to Thailand.
Zoom to Thailand.
Zoom to Thailand.
Zoom to Thailand.
Zoom Zoom to Thailand.
Zoom to Thailand.
Zoom to Thailand. Hi.
Zoom to Thailand.
Zoom to Thailand. Zoom to Thailand. Tired of fighting with your girl? Tired of dealing with the same stuck-up women when you go out in the States? Tired of these fake-ass IG models begging for cash apps? Fellas, I'm here to tell you, you don't have to settle. The women in Pattaya outnumber the men 20 to 1 out here. No matter your age, your race, your height, or even your weight, they don't discriminate. They don't discriminate. Think I'm lying? Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG. Make sure to like and subscribe to all my videos. You got questions? No problem. You balling on a budget? No problem. You scared of rejection? No problem. It's impossible to fail here. Book a consultation, become a Patreon member, make new friends, and join the family of Zoom to Thailand. Your life will never be the same. Zoom Tribe.
A few moments later.
Yeah, but you're not ending up in Thailand. You're choosing Thailand. So they go to third world countries and get talk about.
Look at this, man. This is really happening.
With so much love and care, and they're trying to get more. But I haven't seen a white yet. Are there white men in this? Because I feel like it's only men.
Meanwhile, the white guy's dancing with the Asian girl.
It's like, everybody get.
But they be on the internet like, in America, women would never give me the time of day, so I came out to Thailand.
Thailand, yeah.
They have so much respect for me. Not like these American women. Bros, get your passport and come out to these foreign countries.
At the end of the day, this is about you.
You're
buying somewhere else. They're probably complaining about paying for dates here. Yo, it's corny.
at this point.
Wow. Did we do this, L? Did we have something to do with this? They keep talking about Thailand. They keep talking about men coming to Thailand.
I want to know like that, you know. Sometimes I look why people talk about Thailand, you know.
Yeah.
What happened? Why?
I don't know. But the Filipinas, they clap back.
Let me get this straight. You have been telling men for years that you don't want them, you don't need them, they don't meet your standards, that they don't treat you right. You can pay for your own hair, you can pay for your own nails, you can afford your own home, you can afford your own car. Men are good for nothing. You're strong, you're independent. Then you get mad when these men go to another country. I like to find a woman that has the qualities that they are looking for in a wife.
Exactly.
I also want to talk about why this mindset that so many Western women have is actually extremely problematic. Because not only are you putting down the men who are going overseas with pure intentions, you're also putting down the women from these other countries.
Yeah, women like Elle.
You're calling them poor, you're calling them weak, you're calling them vulnerable. You're creating a superiority complex where you are at the top and women from all these other countries are at the bottom.
Exactly.
Now let me tell you something. If you were really superior, the men would not be leaving.
Exactly.
And you would not be single.
Bars! Bars! But yeah, man. It's really hard, man, because, you know, I don't fit that profile, man. I come from Hollywood, I'm an actor. Some of my friends are famous. I have a little bit of success. I've had beautiful women all my life, so it doesn't really apply to me like it applies to some other people, they might say. But the fact that you and I have been doing this for a couple years now, and people are seeing results versus just people talking, you see all this hate, man. How do you feel about that? What do you think these women, what do you think about it?
Some of these niggas are bitches too. And some of these niggas look just like you.
What do you think?
What do you think?
What do you think about people talking about us being in Thailand together, enjoying our life, minding our own business, not bothering anybody? We're not bothering nobody. What do you think?
Nasty ass, wretched hoe.
These women are
I
some.
don't care why you talk about it.
Huh? Yeah, exactly.
I don't care. You say you. I don't care. I can't take it. You sell the back.
Yeah, but you still talking about it, right?
Talk to one, not stop.
But you know what that means? That means they must care. I think they care. I think they say they don't care, but they care. What do you think?
I think so.
Yeah.
Look like what you call jealous.
Jealous? Yeah, that's the word.
Like that.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah. I don't know why though. We're not bothering them. They don't want us anyway. They say they don't want us. What do you care what we doing out here in Thailand? You understand me? I'm just out here counting my blessings, thanking God for everything, man. And then I gotta wake up and turn on YouTube and see these lovely ladies, as Dennis Perlin would say, these lovely ladies hating on us living in Thailand. I don't see the problem, man. Y'all gotta let me know, like, what are we doing something wrong out here? Am I doing a wrong thing by like trying to set an example for people that they don't have to settle? Do we deserve to have our women insulted for just being good people, for taking care of us, for cooking for us, for cleaning for us? Like, is that really a bad thing? That's why I can't live in the Matrix no more, y'all. It's just really insane. It doesn't make sense. But we're gonna keep doing our thing, man. We're gonna keep living by example, showing y'all what life can be like, and you don't have to settle. But El, you know what you need to tell them now, right? Tell them, theme music!
Theme music!
Hey!
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
And if you haven't joined yet, you should also consider joining our Patreon, where I can show you the things I can't show you on YouTube, as well as discounts on merchandise, consultations, throwback DJ mixes are made for you to listen, drive, and work out to. And most important, by joining the Patreon, you'll be able to get in direct contact with the Travel OG. You dig? Memberships start at $5 and you can cancel at any time. Oh yeah, and you might also want to join just to support your boy and keep the movement going. Appreciate y'all. Catch you on the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.